drop the calling to follow up, I'm just following up, drop the I'm just checking in. If it's something that you wanted them to do, instead of following up or checking in, just say, hey, does it make sense to? Does it make sense for us to lock in the pre-approval on that house, right? If they already said, yes, it does, and they haven't signed the loan docs, don't follow up or check in or see if they have any questions about the loan docs. Wanted to make sure you had the loan docs. I'm going to re-email them to you right now. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Versus, wanted to see if you had any questions on the loan docs because I haven't seen them. If you have any questions, I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202, right? You're just making your job hard. Rich, wanted to make sure you had the loan docs. I'm going to go ahead and re-email them to you right now. I'm on my mobile, and you're going to find all of a sudden people are like, oh, yeah, and they'll sign them.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends. And it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends. And you can close more business. And I'll cover all the cost. See you there.